In this video, we're going to look at the concept of covalent bonding for your chemistry. We'll look at the basic characteristics of covalent bonding as well. Now, after going through this video, I guarantee you that you will understand the basics of covalent bonding for chemistry. This is a very aspect of chemistry as well. After ionic bonding, you see covalent bonding. Because having known this, let's go into the details of the video. Alright, so we're looking at covalent bonding. Alright, now covalent bonding is simply a type of bonding that involves the sharing of electrons between atoms. Basically, it is done between non-metals. Alright, so it does not involve the transfer of electron from a metal to a non-metal in the case of ionic bonding. Alright, so in covalent bonding, what happens is sharing of electrons usually between what non-metals. So take note of this. Another thing you have to note is that to help you out, all organic compounds are covalent compounds. They have covalent bonding in them. Example, we have our methane, we have our ethane, okay, and the rest of them. Another example of covalent compounds is any inorganic compound that is not an acid, that is not a base or a salt. Otherwise, water is an inorganic compound. Another example is ammonia. This is an inorganic compound. Another example is hydrogen chloride. Alright, so hydrogen chloride is another example. And even our molecules, gaseous atoms, something like hydrogen gas, chlorine gas, or molecule, they are all what? Covalent elements. Alright, they have covalent bonding in them. Alright, even our nitrogen gas also has it. Okay, now these are examples of covalent elements and what compounds. Okay, now let's look at how to draw or represent the dot and cross diagram of covalent compounds. In this video, we're going to focus on ammonia, right? Because ammonia is peculiar in your chemistry. You will likely be asked of that of ammonia, right? So we're going to focus on ammonia in this video. So let's wipe this and look at the dot and cross diagram of ammonia. Alright, represent the covalent bonding in it. Okay, so this is ammonia. Alright, now we want to show the dot and cross diagram of ammonia, the covalent bonding happening in it. As we all know, covalent bonding all involves sharing of electrons between the atoms. So in covalent bonding, this is ordinary covalent bonding. Now we have two types of covalent bonding. We have ordinary covalent bonding and dative covalent bonding. This is a typical example of ordinary covalent bonding. Dative covalent bonding is a kind of bond in which one atom donates electron to be shared by both. Example is our ammonium ion. Right? So in ordinary, the both atoms donate electron to be shared by both. Okay, so to draw the dot and cross diagram of this ammonia compound showing the covalent bond occurring in it, how the both atoms donate electron is going to be something like this. This is the atomic structure of nitrogen. Nitrogen has 7 atomic number. Okay, this is the first shell. Alright. Now, remaining 3 electrons now. For the sharing to occur, the hydrogen atom will come and attach itself here respectively. Okay, so this is basically what's happening here, guys. I'm going to explain. Okay, this is hydrogen atom. Okay, this is the nucleus. As you all know that hydrogen has 1 atomic number. Okay, so the hydrogen will donate its 1 electron here, and the nitrogen also donates its 1 electron here. Okay, the hydrogen here donates its 1 electron here, the nitrogen donates its 1 here, the hydrogen here donates its 1 electron here, the nitrogen donates its 1 here. Alright, for the both atoms to attain what? Stability. Okay, so this is where the sharing occurs. Alright, at this juncture, this is where the sharing occurs. Okay, the both atom donated electrons be shared by both. At this junction now, they have attained what stability. Hydrogen atom now having 2 electrons and to gain stability at each duplet shell, whereas nitrogen atom is now having 8 electrons at each octet shell to gain stability. Okay, so this is basically what's happening in covalent bonding. It's as simple as that, guys. Alright, so remember, this is, you can call this hydrogen. Okay, I'll call this nitrogen. Alright, so guys, this is what is happening here basically. Okay, this is a sharing of electrons between the both atoms. Now, let's look at the basic characteristics of covalent bonding, just like ionic bonding. Covalent bonding, what they do basically is that they form molecules and not ions. Alright, they have low boiling and melting points. They are poor conductors of heat and electricity. Most of them are insoluble in water and exist as gas or liquid at room temperature. So these are the basic features or characteristics of covalent bonding or compounds they have to know. Okay, before I call this a class, let's look at how we can use a diagram to find the molecular formula of a covalent compound. Alright, so let's wipe this. Okay guys, now let's look at this question. Remember, looking at how to use a diagram to find the molecular formula of covalent compounds. Alright, so this question says a diagram of the molecule ethane is shown on the right. Use the diagram to find the molecular formula of ethane. Alright, now to simply do this is very, very simple, guys. Now in this diagram, there are 2 atoms of carbon, or 2 carbon atoms, and 6 hydrogen atoms. Alright, so this shows us that the formula for ethane will be C2H6. Alright, don't worry, there will be more of these when we get to organic chemistry. Alright, but for now, this is the basic information you have to know. Hope you learned something interesting from this video. Let's call it a class, yeah. Now, if you are new to the channel, ensure you check the description of this video below. You'll see a link to our Telegram channel. Click on it and join the Telegram channel for instant notification. Also ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more videos like this. Like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what you learned from this class. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding this topic, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. Now click on the end screen above and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.